All right, fellas, it's Sunday morning again. Time for model cars and coffee, and here's my cup right there. Guys, I drink coffee all the time, so I'm out here working on my models, drinking coffee, so it's model cars and coffee for me just about all the time. Guys, I was online and I was looking at, I was just doing some research, and I come across a truck, a 1949 Ford pickup truck that a guy by the name of Scott Goodsall had put together, and he was running at Pikes Peak. And man, I tell you what, I just fell in love with the looks of that truck. I was watching his videos and the story about this truck, and of course now this is a few years back, and one of his runs up there at Pikes Peak, he kind of went over the hill and trashed it out. So it's no longer a Pikes Peak runner, and I think the last time I looked, they were trying to put it back together and make a street machine out of it or something. I don't know. But anyway, I thought, man, I know I can get that body, because Monogram has that 1950 Ford pickup, which is the Ford 950 that looks the same. And I built that kit before. It was a pretty nice kit, so I thought, well, all right, I know I can get the kit, so let's see if I can find those flares and the stuff for the back and the spoilers and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I did find them at Texas 3D Customs. And I'm going to turn you around here and show you this truck here again. But guys, you know, if you see anything, you know, a lot of time when I'm doing videos, you see cars that are in the display cases in the background and things. If you see something you like and you want me to post up here a video on Sunday Model Cars and Coffee, I'll show her off again. If you see something that strikes your fancy, let me know. But let's get turned around here, and we're going to show you this Pikes Peak render. Hang on, boys. All right, fellas, if y'all remember, this is a kit that I bought. I got this online. I think I got it off eBay. But this is the 50 Ford pickup, and that Pikes Peak truck was a 49. You know, same body style and things, but this is the one that I started with. So let me pull this away and show you guys what I'm going to show you here for Sunday Model Cars and Coffee. You guys remember? Let me get up here a little bit. You guys remember this one? This is that that truck I wanted to make. I wanted to make it look like a Pikes Peak runner. And I think it come out pretty good. The this body kit that's on here, and it comes with, let me get my swizzle stick here, guys. Hang on a minute. The body kit that comes on here comes with all the fender flares, everything around the front, all the spoilers, everything that's black back here, the roll bar, the radiator, the spoiler, and everything. That all comes with the kit. The body kit, even this piece back here, and I painted it all black. I wanted to black everything out on it. And the body is actually painted a Tamiya's gray surface primer, and then I shot Tamiya's X22 clear over that. So I think that came out pretty cool looking. Now the nitrous bottles in the back, those come from the Iceman. Pretty cool. And I just want to make this truck look like similar to Scott Goodsall's truck that he built, that 49. And like I said, I think he was running a 6.7 diesel, 1400 horsepower. And this is the engine from the Iceman. It's the Ford 7.3 diesel engine. Let me pull the hood off here and I'll show you that. That's what I stuck in this sucker. So he's got some horsepower. He's going to blow some black smoke with this one. But guys, I just think that turned out really cool. This was my first build to do any kind of a body kit or anything like that. And the parts fit pretty good. I was really amazed. I did leave off. There was some pieces that they gave you to go down here, but I didn't care for them. I kind of left those off, and I think it looks a little bit better without them. So. But other than that, this is everything that came with the body kit. That's pretty cool. The wheels and tires, those come from Texas 3D Customs, and that's where that body kit that came from. It come from Texas 3D Customs. I think the body kit was like $40, if I remember right. And I can't remember what the wheels were. They were like maybe, the wheels and tires, they were like maybe 20, 25 bucks. I can't really remember. Even these pieces here come with the body kit. But I think it turned out really, really nice. First time putting a diesel engine in something for me. That was pretty cool. Turned out pretty nice. Got the stock radiator and everything to fit in there pretty good. That's pretty cool. I thought it turned out really nice. I was pleased with it. This was actually the second 1950 Ford pickup that I built. I built one as a street rod sometime back. And boy, I'll tell you, and it was a nice kit. It's an old monogram kit, but it's still a pretty good kit. And I liked it so much that when I saw this online running at Pikes Peak, man, I couldn't believe it. I thought, man, I got to get that. And then I started looking for a body kit for it, and lo and behold, there, Texas 3D Customs had this kit for the monogram 50 Ford pickup. So any of you guys want to build something similar to this, man, that's and those are the wheels. Those are actually the wheels and tires. If you go to Texas 3D Customs website and look at the pictures of this, that's the wheels and tires that they have on theirs. That's why I bought those, because I just thought they looked really good. They really fill up those wheel wells nicely. What looks like big disc brakes back there, I just went through the parts box and found some of the biggest backing plates I could find, and painted them silver and stuck them in there, and they look like some big old disc brakes to help stop this thing on all those turns at Pikes Peak. But I just thought this was pretty cool. So that's the Pikes Peak truck. She came out pretty cool looking. I'm satisfied with it, and I think that's going to be about it, guys, for this Sunday's Model Cars and Coffee. You guys, let me know what you think. All right, I'm done.